So good day. Today I will share to you what are the requirements for I-129F. Okay, this is the very first step for K-1 visa. So first thing, of course, you need to download the form 129F. I will give you the PDF form on the description box. So on the screen, that is the form 129F. Make sure to read carefully so that you can fill up all the needed information. You can message me if you have clarification and filling up, okay? After filling in the form 129F, there are some evidences and requirements you need to attach. What are those? So, number one, proof petitioner is a U.S. citizen. First, U.S. bio-page passport, a copy, photocopy, birth certificate, naturalization certificate, and citizenship certificate. So you need to print those or scan those documents. Second is the proof both are legally free to marry. Andyan po yung divorce decrees, annulment papers, there's death certificates of the former spouse. Okay? So, in my case, since we're both single, my fiancé only wrote a letter that he is single. So, that's what we send. Third, proof you met in person within 2 years before filing. Okay, examples and then yung passport stamps, boarding pass, flight itineraries, hotel receipts, photos together, chat logs, or messages. Fourth, we have the letter of intent to marry. So one signed letter from the petitioner and another one signed letter from the beneficiary must state intention to marry within 90 days after arrival in the US. Don't worry with the letter. It's if you can you can use ChatGPT to give you the template. Okay. Fifth is the passport style photos. One of petitioner, one of beneficiary. Bali, 2 by 2 picture siya, 2 pieces each. Okay? Sa fiancé and the fiancé in the US and you as the beneficiary. Do not go to the computer shop. It's better to go to the computer shop in the shopping mall because they have a good quality paper to print your photos. That's my best suggestion. Next is evidence of genuine relationship. So, andyan yung photos together again, chats, screenshots, call logs, money transfers, gift or receipt, social media posts, very important, travel history together. In my case, additional is like, how to say that? Witnesses, okay. So we wrote a witnesses letter and our witness is my mother because my fiancé visited our home, so my mother witnessed our relationship that is really true. And my mother wrote a letter, handwritten, in Tagalog. Then after that, I translated it in English, both the Tagalog letter and the English letter, to prove that it's true really. Someone witnessed our relationship, and that is my mother. And if you have some documents that is in a different language, you need to certified, you need to translate it in English. Okay, so those are the most important requirements for form 129F. Make sure you fill in the 129F correctly without wrong spelling. Okay. Next is cover checklist, like make a table of contents, what is inside your pocket, and I would suggest top dividers or may mga, how to say it, mga tab, sticky notes like that. Put some sticky notes what is inside the paper so that it's easy for them to check. Okay, you need to do that. Okay, so when I was filing the Form 129F, I used this plastic binder and put some tabs so it's easier for them to check it. Or you can also put table of contents. This one is very helpful, easy to double check. All right, I use red color. Sorry, I don't have the actual packet because I didn't take a photo. During my application, I'm very private because I don't want to vulgar everything. But so far, good news. I want to share what I have experienced. So if you have any questions, clarifications, please comment down below. Make suggestion, and then don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. I will try my best to share what I know as much as I can. And in the description box, I will give all the link, the PDF that you can use in your initial application for K-1 visa. So God bless, good luck, keep going, and I hope you have a nice day. This is Teacher View. Thank you.